Imagine a bright, colorful garden where every plant is alive. In the middle stands a tiny green plant named Leafy. Today, Leafy looks a little tired. Its leaves are drooping. It whispers, "I'm hungry, but I don't have a lunchbox." Plants don't eat food. They make their own using photosynthesis. Every morning, the golden sun sends down warm rays. These rays are packets of energy. Leafy stretches its leaves wide, like solar panels. It happily says, "Yes, sunshine power." Sunlight lands on the leaves, waking up chlorophyll. These tiny helpers catch light energy. Down in the soil, cool drops of water begin a journey. The roots act like straws, pulling water upward. Up, 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 the water travels to the leaves. Leafy giggles, water delivery received. The air contains carbon dioxide. You can't see it, but it's everywhere. Tiny doors, stomata, open on each leaf. Carbon dioxide slips inside like a quiet guest. Inside the leaf, something amazing happens. With sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, the leaf becomes a lab. Chlorophyll mixes everything together. It's like a glowing green kitchen. Energy sparks, bubbles form, and sugar is created. This sugar is the plant's food and fuel. It helps the plant grow taller and stronger. As sugar is made, oxygen is produced. The plant releases extra oxygen into the air. That oxygen is what animals and humans breathe. Leafy stands tall and bright, full of energy. "I made my own food," it cheers. Thanks to sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, the plant can live, grow, and help the world. That food-making magic is photosynthesis. It happens in green leaves all over Earth every day. Leafy feels grateful for the sun's warm embrace, the water's gentle flow, and the air's invisible gift. Every element plays its vital role. Leafy understands the interconnectedness of nature. It appreciates the simple yet profound process. Other plants in the garden also benefit. They absorb the extra oxygen Leafy produces. The garden thrives in harmony. Bees buzz around, collecting nectar. Butterflies flutter, adding color to the scene. The soil teems with life, supporting the plants. Leafy realizes it's part of something bigger. It feels a deep sense of belonging. The sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange. Leafy prepares for a night of rest. It dreams of sunlight, water, and air. It looks forward to another day of photosynthesis. The garden sleeps peacefully under the stars. The moon casts a gentle glow. The plants whisper secrets to each other. Leafy smiles contentedly. It knows it's making a difference. It's contributing to the world's well-being. Leafy closes its eyes, grateful for its life. It drifts off to sleep, ready for tomorrow's adventures.